Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst the rolling hills of a distant land, there lived a wise and respected Zen master named Master Koji. People from far and wide sought his counsel, hoping to find guidance on their journey through life. Master Koji was known for his profound wisdom, serene presence, and his ability to impart valuable life lessons through captivating stories. One day, word spread throughout the village that Master Koji would be sharing a tale that encompassed 9 important lessons for living a fulfilling and purposeful life. The villagers gathered eagerly in the courtyard of the temple, eager to hear the words of their beloved master. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm golden glow across the faces of the crowd, Master Koji emerged from the temple. His eyes twinkled with a knowing light as he began his story. Once upon a time, long forgotten, there lived a young boy named Hiro, Master Koji began. Hiro was filled with boundless dreams and aspirations, and he believed that he could achieve anything he set his mind to. He possessed a courageous spirit unburdened by the fear of failure. Hiro's dreams were as vast as the endless sky, and he yearned to make a difference in the world. However, as Hiro grew older, he began to encounter obstacles and challenges that tested his resolve. The weight of responsibility and the pressures of society caused him to doubt himself. The fire of his dreams began to dim, and he found himself caught in the cycle of mundane tasks and trivial worries. The vibrant colors of his once bold dreams faded to gray. One day, as Hiro sat by a serene pond, he caught a glimpse of his reflection in the still water. His eyes, once brimming with enthusiasm, were now clouded with doubt and regret. It was in this moment of self-reflection that Hiro resolved to seek the guidance of the wise Master Koji. Hiro embarked on a long and arduous journey, traversing mountains and valleys until he reached the temple where Master Koji resided. With a heart full of hope, Hiro bowed respectfully before the wise master and pleaded, "Master Koji, I have lost my way. The dreams that once filled my heart have faded, and I feel trapped in a life devoid of purpose. Please show me the path to reclaim my dreams and live a life of fulfillment." Master Koji smiled gently and beckoned Hiro to sit beside him. "My young friend," he began, "I will share with you a tale that encompasses 9 important lessons for living a life that is both meaningful and joyful. 1. Don't be afraid to dream big," Master Koji said, his voice carrying a sense of conviction. "The dreams that stir within your heart are the seeds of your true potential. Nurture them, water them with unwavering belief, and watch as they bloom into magnificent realities. 2. Don't waste time on the small stuff," Master Koji continued. "Life is a precious gift, and every moment is an opportunity for growth and transformation. Focus your energy on what truly matters and let go of trivial distractions that hinder your progress. 3. Be the change you want to see in the world," Master Koji emphasized, his eyes radiating wisdom. "The world around you is a reflection of your inner state. Cultivate compassion, kindness, and empathy within yourself. And watch as these qualities ripple outward, transforming the lives of those around you. 4. Do something today that makes you smile," Master Koji exclaimed, his laughter echoing through the courtyard. "Life is meant to be lived joyfully. Engage in activities that ignite your soul and bring a smile to your face. Embrace the simple pleasures that abound, for they are the essence of true happiness. 5. Give back and make a difference in someone else's life every day." Master Koji's voice resonated with warmth and sincerity. "In serving others, you discover the true meaning of abundance. Extend a helping hand, lend a listening ear, or offer a kind word. The smallest acts of kindness can have the most profound impact." 6. Think about what makes you happy and do it often, Master Koji encouraged, his eyes gleaming with serenity. "Your happiness is not a luxury but a necessity. Take time to discover what brings you joy and pursue it relentlessly. By honoring your own happiness, you inspire others to do the same. 7. think about how amazing you are every day," Master Koji exclaimed. His voice filled with unwavering belief. "You are awesome, do not forget that. Each and every one of us is a unique and magnificent being capable of incredible things. Celebrate your strengths, embrace your imperfections, and recognize the extraordinary essence that resides within." 8. Be open-minded and never let anyone tell you how to feel or think or act. Master Koji's words carried a profound sense of liberation. In a world filled with opinions and judgments, hold true to your own inner wisdom. Embrace a mindset of openness, allowing new perspectives and experiences to enrich your journey. 9. Never let your fear of failure keep you from trying new things, especially when it comes to pursuing new dreams or goals. Master Koji's voice resonated with encouragement. Failure is not a measure of your worth, but an opportunity for growth. Embrace the unknown, for it is in the realm of uncertainty that true magic happens. As the last words left Master Koji's lips, Hiro's heart swelled with renewed hope. The wisdom of the 9 lessons resonated within him, reigniting the flame of his dreams. With gratitude in his heart, Hiro bowed deeply before the master and embarked on his journey back home. Hiro returned to his village carrying the invaluable teachings of Master Koji within him. He applied the 9 lessons in his life with unwavering commitment, gradually transforming his existence. Hiro rekindled his dreams, pursued his passions, and inspired those around him to do the same. The village flourished under Hiro's influence. People embraced their own dreams, and a sense of purpose and fulfillment permeated the air. The legacy of Master Koji's teachings spread far and wide, touching the lives of countless individuals who dared to dream big, make a difference, and live a life of profound meaning. And so, my dear friends, remember the tale of Hiro and the 9 lessons imparted by Master Koji. Embrace your dreams, cherish your moments, and let your light shine brightly, illuminating the world with your unique essence. For in the tapestry of life, it is the pursuit of these 9 virtues that grants us the courage to live authentically and to create a world filled with love, compassion, and boundless possibility.